Do you want to try cooking something different today? I think you'll love this healthy and delicious zucchini noodles with pesto sauce. This dish is easy and fast to make, with no long cooking required. Welcome to my show, Cooking Show at Home. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes from around the world. Alright, let's start with the pesto. To make the pesto, add the following to a blender or food processor. 1 cup pine nuts, juice of half a lemon, about 1 cup fresh basil leaves, save 1 small sprig for garnish, 2 tablespoons cold-pressed olive oil, 1/4 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1 small garlic clove, pulse until smooth. If needed, add up to 1/4 cup cold water to adjust the texture. I'm going to make a bit more pesto than I need for this recipe because I like to keep some in the refrigerator. It goes great with toast and regular pasta too. Season with freshly ground black pepper and about 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Transfer the pesto to a container and scrape down the sides with a rubber spatula. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. The pesto is ready! Now let's move on to the zucchini noodles. Take 5 to 6 small zucchinis and peel them partially. Just remove any blemishes and bad spots. Using a mandolin, slice the zucchini into noodle-like strips. If you don't have a mandolin, you can use a julienne peeler. This actually makes longer noodles, which is even better. At this point, you have 2 options. You can mix the pesto with the zucchini noodles and enjoy them raw, or you can cook them lightly. They're delicious either way. I decided to cook mine. Heat a large skillet and sauté the zucchini noodles for just 2 to 3 minutes in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add about 1 cup of pesto and toss everything gently until the zucchini noodles are well coated. At the end, add a pinch of dried oregano and red pepper flakes. This is optional. Serve immediately and garnish with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. A few cherry tomatoes, and fresh basil leaves. If you liked this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.